Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. I'm going to be jumping right into nail prep. I am creating a peel off base coat today, so I am going to apply a little bit of cuticle oil and I'm going to rub that in, and I'm going to go ahead and apply some top coat on all of my nails, and I am going to cure that in the lamp for 30 seconds. Once I'm done with that, I am going to take some base coat and I am going to use that to adhere the tip with my nail, and I'm going to cure that in the Gel X lamp. I'm going to follow that up with a full cure in the UV lamp for an additional 30 seconds just to make sure that the gel is completely cured. I trimmed my nails and slightly shaped them off camera, so right now I am going to blend the tip with the nail using a sanding band just to blend the tip with the nail. Next, I'm going to apply some base coat on the entire nail and cure that in the lamp for 30 seconds. For today's application, I am using this Marquardt Polygel, and it is a natural pink. I'm going to place a bead at the tip of my nail and begin blending upwards and spreading the polygel around. For slip solution, I am using the Model 1's slip solution, but as I always say, you can use alcohol as a slip solution as well. It works just as great. Here are how my nails look after application. I am going to go ahead and wipe off the sticky layer with some alcohol, just so that when we begin filing, the polygel doesn't stick to the nail file. We are now ready for gel art. I am going to be taking this white gel polish from Madame Glam in the color Riverwalk, and I am going to start by drawing some French tips on my nails.
Brian Little. Since we're done with the French, we can move over to the aura design.
I'm going to take this pink gel polish from Born Pretty, and I am going to take a makeup sponge and place a little bit on the sponge here. I'm going to dab it into the nail. You are going to have to work in layers. You do have to build up the opacity when you do aura nails this way or airbrush nails this way. I do have a full tutorial. I will link it on the upper right corner where you can see a better tutorial and a more in-depth tutorial on how to do aura nails without an airbrush. So that's what I'm doing on the French. Once I've brought it to my desired opacity, I am going to take some top coat and I'm going to apply that on the entire nail and cure that in the lamp for 60 seconds before we begin the 3D art. For the 3D gel art, I am using some rhinestone gel. I kind of wished I used builder gel. I feel like it would have gave me a more seamless type of like drag there. It did come out kind of bumpy since I was using the rhinestone glue, and the rhinestone gel tends to kind of like bleed a little bit. So I definitely think if you were to try to do this step, I would use some actual builder gel. Also, once I was satisfied with the gel art, I did cure it in the lamp for 30 seconds. Here are how the nails turned out. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. I just felt like doing something different for once and exploring some 3D art. I have everything that I used linked in the description box. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.